Today, we're firing up El Fuego Trio and letting the pellet side do all the work. We're cooking up perfectly smoked salmon that's flaky, flavorful, and incredibly simple. Big smoke, big flavor, and a killer finish. To build our flavor base, we're mixing 2 tablespoons of olive oil with equal parts, about 3/4 teaspoon each, of salt, black pepper, smoked paprika, and onion powder. Then add about 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and mix well. And now we have a rich, aromatic oil that's perfect for salmon. Onto a baking sheet lined with butcher paper goes this beautiful, fresh salmon. And now we'll coat the entire fillet with our flavored oil, so every bite gets that rich, garlicky flavor. Lay down a few sprigs of thyme, and this is ready to go. Our Lone Star Grillz El Fuego Trio is big, bold, and beautiful. Its name stands for Triple Fire Grill because it can cook with wood, charcoal, or pellets. We'll be using the pellet side today and cooking at a temperature of 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure to open your top left vent, and you can optionally add some additional smoke wood into the split basket for a little extra smoke. Once fully preheated, it's time to get the salmon on, then close the lid and begin cooking. This cook will take approximately 1 hour, but it does depend on the size of your salmon fillet and a few other variables, so make sure you cook to temperature and not time. We're looking for a temperature of about 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you can remove it, garnish with fresh parsley, some lemon zest, and serve it up just the way you like. Thank you for watching today's video. We truly appreciate it. And don't forget that if you've got questions on any of our products at any time, just give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.